A powerful new AI video generator has just launched. And trust me, this one has the potential to shake up the entire game. Kling O1 is making a huge leap in AI creativity as the world's first fully unified multimodal video model. It's not just a tool that generates videos. It's an entire creative studio where you can design, edit, and control complete scenes inside one smooth workflow. From images to video clips to simple text ideas, you can start however you like and bring your concept to life in just seconds. All you have to do is describe your scene in natural language and Kling O1 delivers high-quality video instantly. From there, you can keep refining everything effortlessly. You can change the lighting of a scene with a simple adjustment, completely transforming the mood in real time. You can shift camera angles, reframe shots, or redesign your composition using nothing but text prompts. A wide shot can turn into a close-up, and basic angles can instantly look cinematic. Kling O1 also gives you powerful creative control. Swap objects naturally, remove anything you don't want, extend shots, work with keyframes, or replace entire backgrounds for advanced edits. You can recolor your scenes, change color grades, or apply artistic styles that instantly reshape the visual tone. All of this is powered by a unified multimodal engine designed for smooth conversational editing and consistent characters. You can set exact start and end frames, generate perfectly connected footage, recreate real camera movements, and fine-tune pacing. And with full timeline control from 3 to 10 seconds, your video always fits your creative flow and storytelling style. You can actually start using Kling O1 right now on the Higgsfield AI platform. The link is waiting for you in the description below. And the coolest part? Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 video generations for anyone who joins the Ultimate Plus plan before December 7th. That's a pretty insane deal. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the fun. So here on my screen, you can see the Kling O1 interface and make sure the frames option is selected. The first thing I want to try out is the start frame and end frame generation. And trust me, this feature is where things get really exciting. Let me show you how it works. First, I'm uploading the initial image, a nighttime city street with a car in motion. For the second one, I'm using a peaceful sunrise landscape. The concept is simple. The car travels through the city and eventually flows into a quiet countryside sunrise. I genuinely have no idea how the model is going to interpret this transition, and that mystery is what makes it fun. Now, I'm heading over to the Run Settings panel on the right. The first drop-down lets you pick the model you want to use. Right below that, you'll set the duration of the video. After that comes the aspect ratio, square, portrait, or landscape. I'm sticking with a 16:9 landscape for this test. Once everything is set, hit generate and see what it creates. A few seconds later, the video is ready to play. And wow, that's pretty cool. You can clearly see the city scene at the start, and then it smoothly shifts into the sunrise landscape for the final frame. Considering how different the two images are, that transition is impressively clean. Definitely a solid result for what could have been a tough prompt. Now let's move on to another feature, sketch to video, also called Elements. This one is basically a full creative engine by itself. Here's what you can do. Upload anywhere from 1 to 7 custom images, either JPG or PNG, and then describe exactly what's happening in each one. Think of it as setting up your own mini movie storyboard. What are the characters doing? How do they move? What's the overall mood? Once you give your instructions, Kling O1 inside Higgsfield takes all those details, analyzes them, blends the visuals, and creates a smart cinematic video that feels almost unreal. It literally turns your still images into something alive. I'm going to upload a few simple sketches, a bird, a tree, and a river. Nothing fancy, just basic elements. Let's generate and see how Kling O1 turns them into motion. And there it is, the video's done. It actually looks pretty good. It's a perfectly continuous scene, but for such simple sketches, the result is surprisingly strong. Some parts blend more naturally than others, but overall, it gives you a solid base to build from and refine your ideas. Let's run one more test in Elements. I start by uploading a cool robot image in the first slot. Then, in the second slot, I upload a picture of Spider-Man. In the third slot, I add a city street. That's the scene where everything will happen. Below that is the prompt box, where I describe my idea. Spider-Man and the robot walking together through the street. Simple concept, but visually powerful. Since I've already explained the settings earlier, I'm leaving everything on default and hitting generate. It deducts 20 tokens and jumps into the queue. After a short wait, the video is ready. And honestly, the result is mind-blowing. Seeing two totally different characters come alive and walk side by side in a custom environment is just incredible. Now, let me show you something really cool. The Kling prompt bank inside Higgsfield. This is basically a treasure chest of carefully crafted prompts that work like cheat codes for getting the absolute best results out of Kling O1. One of the strongest techniques you'll find in here is called multi-reference editing, and the examples are honestly mind-blowing. You can bring multiple people into the same scene, change entire backgrounds, swap outfit colors, and it still keeps everything looking realistic. Lighting, shadows, reflections, all perfectly matched. It feels like you're directing your own high-end production. You'll also see character reference prompts, which are incredibly powerful. These let you keep the same character consistent across different shots while changing their outfits, locations, moods, or even the overall artistic style. It's perfect for storytelling, cinematic sequences, or building a full video around a single character without losing continuity. Kling O1 isn't just another AI video generator. It's a complete creativity powerhouse. Inside Higgsfield, you get access to everything: image creation, video generation, advanced editing tools, character features, trending models, and so much more. And the best part? New and even more powerful models keep dropping all the time. Thanks a ton for watching. I hope this walkthrough helped you explore what's possible, and I can't wait to see what you create with it.